Hi, welcome to short explainer video about Connexit. In this video, I will show you how the platform works and let you know about our many smart ways to connect your favorite apps to build the perfect workflow. I will start with logging into our application. So once you signed up to Connexit, you will see this app screen giving you access to our more than 140 great apps. So you can see all the apps listed over here, your favorite apps. You can do simple searches like this one, searching for your favorite apps. For example, I can search for any app like Trello. So you can do like you can search for any of your apps. So you will find the respective app. So before you actually build your workflow, you have to start authenticate your apps. You have to authorize your apps to connect it. To authorize your apps, you need to click on the apps icon, which app you want to authorize. For example, I am choosing to-do list over here. So there are basically two types of authorization. One is auth based authorization and the other one is API key or API token based authorization. So you have to give permission by giving your credentials for the respective app, then the authorization process will get completed. Similarly, you have to do it for the other apps as well. All your authorized apps will be displayed here. So all the apps which you have to authorize will be displayed over here, and the webbook apps will be displayed on the other tab. So you can do much more authentically. So straight away we will jump on to create our connects to build a workflow basically. Using our drag and drop visual flow builder, which makes your job easy to build your own canvas and build your own workflows. This is our canvas. All your authorized apps and most used apps will be displayed on the left hand side of the panel. So whichever app you want to use, you can drag the first app. Right now I will use to-do list, and I use Gmail to send an email once my task is completed, and I use Trello to update my board with the task which I have completed, and I will use some formatter to format the data. That's it. I think I have done with my choosing option. So first I will start with selecting my trigger in to-do list as new completed task. You will find the attributes which are attached to to-do list over here on the left hand side, and I will choose the action as send email. I will choose my account first, then I will choose my action as send email in Google Gmail. So I will give the user email. I will connect the user email to two of the Gmail, and I will format from data. using all these details which I got it from to-do list. I use content, I use completed date, and I use username, and I also use project name. So basically what I can do is like you can actually choose I at the rate. When you click on at the rate, you will see all the attributes that is from your trigger where the point you connected displayed over here, and you can choose the attribute whichever you want. For example, I am choosing username as of now. Similarly, you can create all your text. So I already copy pasted my text. So now hi at username. So here is your completed task. That will be, you know, the content, and completed on, that will be your date. So you can select that completed date from the event. You can select the event name as well. So regards. So that's it, my body is ready. I will just connect this to my body, and I can type my own subject. For example, I can type it as Connexit demo. So that's it, my Gmail is set. Now I will select another action in Trello board to create a card in Trello, and I will choose which board I want to create a card. I'll select my board, and I will select the list. So I selecting as rank services, and I will select the content type of Trello as a name on the Trello board. You can see over here. Here we go. So we all done with our connects. So all our workflow is now the workflow is completed, where I will just save. That's it. So now all your completed connects will be displayed over here. So now we completed a connect, that is any new completed task on to-do list will trigger an email on Gmail, and it will also create a card on Trello. So now we will test that. So I'm gonna complete the task on my to-do list as anything. So I will select as connected touch points. So I completed my task. Now I will go to my email and search for any new email. Also, I will go to Trello to search for a new card that will be in my board, that is Rakesh, and in my service, in my list, that is rank services, it should display over here. So it will take some couple of minutes to get updated. So you can see Connexit is not just about integration of your apps, it is also about simplicity, how simple a business owner or a layman can connect their apps. So basically you just need to drag and drop your apps to connect or to build your workflow. Now we will check for update. Yes, here you go guys. So you will get the subject. I will open the subject as Connexit demo, and hi, the username, that is Rakesh Mahesh. Here is your completed task, that will be the task which is completed, and the date where it is get completed on, with the event ID, event item, that will be completed. So similarly you will get the list also get updated in Trello board. You can see that Connexit touchpoint is been updated in Trello board. That's it guys, hope you like this video. If you have any question on Connexit, feel free to comment over here below to get the details. Our team members will definitely answer your all your queries. Thank you. Have a great day.